Welcome back once again. We were discussing pricing strategy in our previous session. Having understood what pricing strategy is all about and what are the steps involved in formulating a pricing strategy, let us now try to figure out what are the different pricing strategies, what are the different types of pricing strategies which firms normally employ. There are quite a few of them. The most common pricing strategies are 10 in number. We will attempt to understand these over 2 sessions. Let's go one by one. Let's take the first 5 commonly used pricing strategies. Types of pricing strategies. The first pricing strategy is psychological pricing strategy. What do you mean by psychological pricing strategy? This is a strategy firms employ, playing on the consumer's minds. Prices are fixed in such a manner that the consumer feels that he is paying a lower price. Excellent examples are available in the marketplace. There are firms which price all their products at certain very peculiar price points like 999, 99, 299. If you look carefully, the distance from 999 to 10,000 or 1,000 is comparatively less. From 99 to 100 is less. It's just 1 rupee. From 299 to 300, it's just 1 rupee. For all practical purposes, the price here is 1,000 rupees. Here it is 100 rupees. Here it is 300 rupees. Does the customer feel so? Most probably not. The customer starts reading from left to right. He understands 299. He may get a feeling that he is paying somewhere around 200 rupees. He gets a feeling he is not paying 1,000 rupees. The customer gets a feeling that he is paying a lower price. Mind you, it's only a feeling in his mind. This strategy is called psychological pricing. Bata is one of the pioneers in this model of pricing. All their Bata branded footwear normally operate at this level. It might be different for their premium brands like Hush Puppies or Weinberger. Now let us move to the next pricing strategy. Point 2 will be geographic pricing. In geographic pricing, the firm puts 2 price points across 2 different geographies. One geography will have a particular price, another geographic location will have another price. The geographic location, which is at a further distance from the home location, will have certain transportation or freight costs added onto the price. Which means, if an organization has its production happening in Chennai, maybe Chennai will have one price. The product which is sold in Delhi by the same organization might have a higher price. This is called geographic pricing. Price is different in different geographies. Let us move to point 3. Point 3 is base point pricing. In base point pricing, the organization fixes a particular location as its base from which it will price its product. The important point to be noted is the base point need not be the production location. You have a firm which is based in Chennai, or a firm which has its headquarters and production in Chennai. This firm decides to put across its base as Nagpur, which might be somewhere in central India. So from Nagpur, it calculates the distance to different markets. Depending upon the distance of each market, from the base point of Nagpur, it fixes up its prices. So Kashmir will have a slightly higher price. Madhya Pradesh or Bhopal will have a slightly lower price. Kerala might be having a slightly higher price. Mind you, the production happens at Chennai. The base city is different. It is based on the distance from the base point that the prices are fixed. In a way, this is a variant of your geographic pricing. Your base point pricing is a variant of geographic pricing. Let's move to point 4. Point 4 is zonal pricing. Such firms divide a larger geography into various zones. Easy for us to understand. The whole country of India can be divided into 4 zones: North India, South India, Western India, and Eastern India. Each zone will have a different price. Zones which are further away from the manufacturing point naturally will have a higher price. Your zonal pricing is also a variant of your geographic pricing. Now let's move to point 5. Point 5 says dual pricing. Dual pricing is an interesting pricing way. In dual pricing, the firm fixes the price of its product at 2 different points in the same location. This is the difference between dual pricing and geographic pricing. In geographic pricing, the firm fixes its price across 2 different geographies at 2 different price points. 2 different geographies have 2 different price points. Whereas if you come to dual pricing, in the same geography, the firm operates on 2 prices. In the same place, the firm operates on 2 prices. Let us take few examples. In one particular state itself, the firm may offer government and government-related agencies a particular price, whereas to private consumers, it will offer a separate price. In one particular city, a manufacturer may give institutional buyers one price. To normal individual buyers, he will operate a different price. This is what is meant by dual pricing. In the same geographic location, the producer operates 2 different price points. The difference between geographic pricing, in geographic pricing, 2 different price points are being operated, but in 2 different localities. These are the first 5 types of pricing strategies. First is psychological pricing. Second is geographic pricing. Third is base point pricing. Fourth comes zonal pricing. And the last is dual pricing. Zonal pricing and base point pricing both can be considered as subsections of geographic pricing. Having completed the first 5, we will move on to the next 5 pricing strategies types in the next session. Thank you.